Coming up on this episode of the Garcia Family Vlog, we are cruising aboard Freedom of the Seas for the next 4 days. We will put out 4 episodes, so make sure you go check out those other episodes. This is everything we experienced our first day on the cruise, plus we're even lucky to be on the ship because we were initially denied boarding. That story plus more. Hit that subscribe button and come along on this adventure with us on our first day aboard Freedom of the Seas.
This is our second attempt to get on the ship, but we know we're getting on this time, but we have a lot to tell you. We almost just missed the ship, like for real.
It turns out my license was expired and they denied us boarding because obviously my license was expired. So they told us to go to the DMV. Before we went to the DMV, we found another government issued ID. It wasn't a driver's license, but it was still a government issued ID with my picture and the government seal. But for some reason they would not take that. So we had about 3 hours until the ship left. So we headed to the DMV. Imagine the stress. Hi, we're the Garcias. Life is too short, and we're not wasting any time. We're traveling the world one adventure at a time. Hit the subscribe button and come along on our next adventure.
We came to party all night long and sing along to every song. We don't need nobody's attention, don't need nobody else in our zone.
So the port of Miami is about 30 minutes to the nearest DMV. So we're on our way to the DMV. We get out of our car and see a huge line of people. It turns out the entire state of Florida's DMV system is down for the day, and there is no way I'm able to get a valid driver's license before this cruise ship leaves. So we head back to the port to try one last time. Alicia thought maybe we should just try one more time before we head home. And Alicia went in this time by herself. They called the ship to see if they could get an exception. And sure enough, they let us on the ship with the expired license and my other valid government ID. I wish they would have accepted it the first time around, but we're happy to be here. So let's kick it off with the room tour.
Shutting it down when I pop out. Riding downtown with the top down. Sun's got everybody out now. Yeah. Riding with my girls looking so good. Playing my song, feeling so good. Only good vibes in my book.
So the balcony has glass partitions, and that's not really that private. And I don't know about you, but when I'm on my balcony naked, I don't really want people to, I'm just kidding. But it's not private at all out there. All right, they're testing the bed out. What do you guys think of the bed? Comfortable? Thumbs up? What do you think, Conrad?
On the mountain.
All right. All right, so we got new microphones, wireless microphones for this cruise. Hopefully our audio is going to be a little bit better. It's kind of awkward to film in public already as is, and now add all this extra microphone stuff. So we'll see how long it lasts. No promises, but we're going to start out with the microphones at least. All right, you guys ready? We're going to go to the pool, and then, or first we're going to go eat El Loco Fresh, and then let you guys play in the pool. All right, let's go. Freedom of the Seas has a massive splash pad area. It's called Splash Away Bay. It's even bigger than Oasis class ships. This was part of the recent dry dock it underwent.
Very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen.
Well, one of the best parts of a cruise is getting on board and getting your first cocktail drink, but since I'm pregnant, I have water, so we're gonna do a cheers.
El Loco Fresh is a complimentary Mexican buffet located right by the pool. All right, guys, let's go back to the room and watch us sail away.
Lost. Baby, give me good love. Get lost.
ready to go to get dinner, and just about the worst thing that could happen happened, and Kennedy fell asleep. Me and Brandon and Conrad were outside on the balcony looking at Miami as we leave, and Kennedy came in to watch a show, and she's out. So I'm gonna try to wake her up, but we'll probably just take the stroller and try to let her sleep in the stroller, but we'll see.
All right, it's our first night in the main dining room, so let's go see how dinner is tonight.
I met you in the morning, summertime. The skies were warm and golden, mid-July. I dove into the blue in your eyes. I'm holding on to you, yeah. All the nights in my room were lonely.
We are headed to our first dinner, and I'm excited. The menu looks pretty good tonight, so we'll see how it goes.
And we have her in this bed down here. We made a makeshift bed with a stroller.
Yes, we successfully transferred her to the stroller bed, is actually what we call it. If you go and watch our Europe vlogs, one of the kids always slept in the stroller bed every night, and they loved it. Oh, she's waking up. That is working.
Hello. We are going to dinner right now, and we're going to the dining room. At the pool, I got lost. I mean, I found a crew member, and I mean, they helped me.
Here's the menu for tonight. If you want, you can pause the video to read it more closely.
How are you?
How old are you?
4. And you?
We started with the spinach artichoke dip. That was really good. Always have to get the shrimp cocktail. Caesar salad, perfect. And then medium rare steak with the compote butter. And Alicia got the chicken with the Tabasco honey. But overall, dinner was really good tonight. And for dessert, key lime pie, Boston cream pie, classic cheesecake, and a peanut brittle. So as far as desserts go, key lime pie is the best. And then this peanut brittle, second best. Cheesecake, third best. Boston cream pie, I would not get. It's flavorless. So dinner was really good tonight. Like, I'm holding this microphone, so dramatic. Anyways, dinner was really good tonight. We are gonna go watch the ice show right now. It's always a favorite of ours when we're cruising on World Caribbean. Dessert was good. Everything was really good. Now we're gonna go watch the show. Is that good dessert?
Oh no, close your mouth. Is it good?
Yeah.
What does it taste like? Strawberry.
Maybe not the goodest, but
I can't hear you because you don't have a microphone on you.
Okay. Tell us how you feel.
well, it's really not the goodest, but it's really good. But it's good, but
Okay.
it's
You
really
want to try
good.
this one now?
Okay, yeah.
Okay, yeah.
This is that. Well, I changed.
All right, let's go.
Okay, guys, let's go. This is like the biggest kids cruise bed we've ever seen. Normally it's like a little couch that has like a trundle underneath it, but this is like a full-on, I mean, this is a huge bed for the kids, so that's great. And then yeah, let's look at our towel animal. Okay, what kind of animal did we get?
I think it's a doggy because it has an eagle.
He has ears, so yeah, he's probably a doggy. But... Oh.
This hand towel looks like a doggy, but it looks like a bow, but it's actually a doggy. So I think
And whose sunglasses did they put on the doggy?
yours, mommy's.
Okay, well, we did not make the show, but we did decorate the room a little bit. Freedom of the Seas has a huge indoor playground right outside of the Kids Club entrance. We did miss the ice show's first showing, but it turns out they have a second showing, so we are about to go watch that now.
We are so excited because as we were walking into the ice skating show tonight, the crew members pulled us aside and asked if they could borrow our kids tonight for part of the show. So of course we said yes.
We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up our love friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long and sing along to every song. We don't need nobody's attention, don't need nobody else in our zone.
So the show was really good. That was really cool that the kids got to be in it. And now we're gonna go get some pizza and then probably go back to the room.
Whichever one is full.
I don't know which one's ours. Thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow for day 2. Don't forget to subscribe.
Don't touch this. Hello. I mean, I very like the cruise. I mean, it's very big. We have a lot of places to go. And, you see our bed is it's very big. And we have some lights. I think it would look better on the door.
But then we couldn't see them, you know?
I know, but I mean, it would look nice. It would make a picture on the door. Okay, and that will be the end of our vlog. Thank you for watching. Bye.